Okay, so I just came across this claude-code-action for GitHub, and it's pretty fascinating. It's designed to interact with PRs and issues.
Oh, I've heard about that. It can answer questions and even implement code changes, right? That's a game changer for developers.
Right, and it can automatically detect when to activate based on your workflow, like no configuration needed.
Wait, seriously, so it just knows when to jump in. That sounds almost too good to be true, but how does it know?
Exactly, it's all about intelligent mode detection. It figures out the context, whether it's a mention or an issue assignment.
That's pretty neat, but I wonder if it ever gets it wrong or misinterprets the context. Could lead to awkward situations.
Good point. I guess we should consider that it might not always be perfect, but the interactive code assistant feature is a big plus.
Totally. I mean, having an AI that can answer code and architecture questions is like having a mentor at your fingertips.
Right, but then I wonder about the quality of the responses. Are they reliable or could they lead you astray?
That's a fair concern. The evidence seems mixed on AI reliability in technical contexts. It might be helpful but could also create issues.
Exactly, plus it can do code reviews, suggesting improvements on PR changes. How do you feel about AI in code reviews?
Well, that's great for efficiency, but it worries me if it overlooks nuanced problems that a human might catch.
True, it could miss those subtle bugs that really matter, but the fact that it can implement fixes is also impressive.
Yeah, it's both exciting and a bit daunting. The flexibility of tool access is another cool feature, though.
Right, it can access GitHub APIs and perform file operations. It feels like it could revolutionize how we approach coding tasks.
Definitely, but I have a question. Could it also cause developers to rely too heavily on it, losing some coding fundamentals?
That's an interesting angle. If they start depending on it too much, they might miss out on learning essential skills.
Exactly. And what about the security implications? If it's handling sensitive code, we need to be vigilant.
Right, there are always security risks with new tech. Ensuring access control and permissions is vital.
So the balance seems crucial, leveraging AI's efficiency while maintaining developer skills and security.
Couldn't agree more, it's like a double-edged sword. You want to embrace innovation without losing the core skills.
Exactly. And if I recall, they have a migration guide for users upgrading from an older version. That's helpful.
Yes, it simplifies configuration while keeping most setups compatible. That's a smart move to retain users.
It is, and I love that they offer a quick start method for setting it up in the terminal. Super user-friendly.
Right, just run a command and you're good to go, but of course there are some limitations to keep in mind.
For sure. Like, you've got to be a repository admin to install the GitHub app and add secrets. That's a barrier.
Exactly, and this quick start is only for Anthropic API users. What about the others?
They have different setups for Oz, Google, and Microsoft. It's good they're considering various environments.
True, but I wonder how many users will actually step into those configurations. It might deter some.
That's a fair point. Sometimes complexity can scare people away from trying something new.
Right, and they have a whole solutions guide too, like automatic PR code review and issue triaging.
I love that. Those use cases show practical applications. But again, are they all foolproof?
That's tricky. Each solution should be tested thoroughly to avoid any blind spots that could surface.
Exactly. And the structured outputs they provide could streamline complex automations. That's a win.
Totally imagine the time saved, but we need to weigh that against potential errors too.
See, that's where it gets interesting. Balancing automation with oversight is key to success.
Right, it's an ongoing dialogue, I think. We need to keep questioning how to best integrate AI tools.
Absolutely. I feel like we're just scratching the surface of what Claude Code Action can do.
And that's exciting, but it also leaves me wondering what are the long-term implications for developers?
Exactly. We might be opening doors, but we also need to think about the skills that might fade away.
So if we put all this together, it's both a tool for efficiency and a potential challenge for growth.
Totally. As we embrace these advancements, we need to remain vigilant about retaining core competencies.
Exactly, it's like this balancing act we have to maintain. I can't wait to see where this all goes.
Same here. It's such a fascinating intersection of technology and human skill development.